Hello, welcome to the video log of Fun Cars and Good People. I'm Carl. I had been commuting a lot in my E90 M3 this June and July. The mileage built up pretty quickly, so it's time to change the engine oil again. For the walkthrough of the oil service, please see my previous video on this topic. I also made another short video that summarizes this key step of the oil change. In the last vlog, I had updated magnetic drain plugs for the manual gearbox and the rear differential. And finally, it's time to put on the one for the engine oil sump. I got these magnetic drain plugs from ECS Tuning. They are made of 7075 T6 aluminum. This type of aluminum alloy has higher strength and is commonly used in aerospace engineering. They are finished with glossy black coating and have ECS marking on the screw head. Look pretty nice, don't they? Besides, they are compatible with original O-rings and washers, so this is also a plus on the functionality. Overall, I'm happy with the quality of these products. The original drain plugs have a 6mm hexagonal drive, where the ECS Tuning magnetic drain plug has a 16mm hexagonal head. The advantage of such type of drain plug is that it can be simply removed with a hex socket or plier, which are more commonly available than hex bits. Besides, we don't have to worry about the hex drive being damaged and stuck on the oil sump. Such stupid thing happened to me once, and that was solely the mechanic's problem. What a shame. In addition to the magnetic drain plug, I also want to try the engine oil with lower viscosity for better fuel consumption and lower oil temperature. I drive on the highway a lot and I could get 12 km per liter as the best record. Of course, the hot weather these days is gonna lower the fuel efficiency. I just feel like doing this experiment to see how good I can get. And I usually have the oil temperature below 100 degrees Celsius. I believe lowering the viscosity will also help. Let's take a look at the owner's manual first. The required oil viscosity is SAE 10W60. Alternatively, we can use 10W50, 10W40, or 5W-50. And the required specification is API SJ/CF or API SK/CF or higher. The current oil I'm running on is liquid moly 10W60, and it has been a reliable choice approved by Blackstone Laboratory, which I have been frequently sending my oil samples to. This time I tried to run it to 10,000 km and see what the oil test report will say. Speaking of the new oil to try this time, I choose CPC 9000 SM motor oil 5W-50, mainly because there's fairly good discount from my friend. And I also want to support local products of Taiwan. Of course, this oil has to meet all the certifications and standards mentioned above. To be cautious with the experiment, I will change oil in the next 5,000 km and send it for analysis. I will keep you updated about the oil report and the magnetic drain plugs as well. I want to take this chance to say sorry to my subscribers for not uploading new videos recently. I'm currently in the process of making a video about installing CarPlay and Android Auto decoder to a BMW i3 of my friend. Please be patient, the video is coming soon. That's all for this update. Thank you for visiting Fine Cars and Good People. See you in next video. Bye!